Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 55 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time settings on this device. First, we need to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button, or rather up/menu button. We need to press and hold it. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. Scroll through the menu and find the system option. Select it and then press the start/stop button. Here, scroll through the menu by pressing the up or down button again. Select the time option and press the start/stop. And here, scroll down, select the set time option, and by default it should say auto or auto. Select it, press the start/stop, then select manual and press the start/stop. Once the set time is set to manual, you should see the time option below it. Select it, press the start/stop, and now we can change the time on our watch. We can scroll through the hours or set the hour by pressing the up and down buttons. Once you're done with the setting the hour, press the start/stop to jump to minutes. Set the minutes, then press the start/stop to jump to the AM and PM, and you can select one of those, and then press the start/stop, and then press the start/stop to confirm. And now the time changed. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face like this. And that's how you change the time settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.